Holy crap, just look at that thing.
That's just insane.
Oh my god. It's like that squirrel came out of nowhere. It's like my friend Alberto here just like bounced this ball that we found.
And then he looked at the squirrel
and
and its freaking arms.
Yeah, there's cars coming.
And the rest of its body.
And then the squirrel, and then like the ball went in front of the squirrel. And then obviously, Alberto didn't even notice the squirrel.
I didn't notice the squirrel. I just went for the ball, and then like you just see that squirrel over there, and it's like, ew.
Oh my god.
Like flat, and then its freaking arms are like this.
And then you just see, oh, it went over the you nasty fuck.
What the hell wrong, dude? Don't touch the squirrel. Okay,
You're a nice guy, Corey. You're a nice guy.
I'll give you $50 if you touch the squirrel.
Fuck no. I kick it. But
Hell no. We get like diseases from that shit.
I kicked a dead squirrel before. Like I did that like all the way up there. It's like I really kicked one.
Oh my god, dead squirrel in the street is nasty.
No, but I used to see this like the round squirrel, and I was like, damn, they don't see it because we're watching it right now.
I know, right? Dead squirrel in the street is not okay.